All right, everybody, we're going to do some calculations. We're going to take our 160 micrograms and we're going to put that into 100 microliters of TE. And what does that give us? It gives us what does that give us? 1.6 micrograms per microliter. All right, so that is our concentration of primer. We want to change this into micromolar, and so that's 330 micrograms per mole per nucleotide. We have 20 nucleotides, and that's going to give us a number that I don't know unless I use my calculator. So let's do that. So let's go with times 20 equals. Okay, so this is 6,600 grams per mole per nucleotide. And so we want to take 1.6 divided by 6,600, and that equals 0.000242242. And what are our units? Okay, when we do this division, we're going to flip this guy, so then micrograms cancel, and we end up with moles per microliter, and we want micromoles per microliter, right? Okay, and so we want molarity, so that is 10 to the 6 microliters per liter. So that we're going to get those guys to cancel, right? So then if we do that math, we get 242.2 micromolar. Yes? Make sense? Yes? Yes. Okay, let me see if I can squeeze this guy away. Give me a little more room. All right, that's where we start with our calculations. We had to get to micromolar so that we don't have to do the exchange from moles to molar towards the end, or micromolar towards the end. We did the conversion up front rather than in our M1V1 equals M2V2. Uh-oh, somebody's calling. Hold on. All right, now we're back at our M1V1 equals M2V2. We are trying to get to, what do we want? We want, what did I say we wanted? 10 micromolar in 100 microliters. That was our arbitrary, this is what we want at the end for our PCR. What do we know? We know we have 2.22 micromolar. What we don't know is how much of that. So we're solving for question mark. So we just do the math. Here's question mark equals, how do we get rid of that? We do the same thing to each side. And we do the same thing over here. Right, these guys totally cancel with their units. This guy cancels. We do that math on the calculator. So let's just do that little math. Make sure we don't make any errors. Alrighty, so 1,000 on the top, 1,000 microliters. That guy stayed. 2.2 equals 4.13 microliters. All right, so we have 4.13 microliters of our 10 micromolar, exactly not, of our 242 micromolar solution. So that's this tube, our second tube, right? Our first tube is the one that's at 1.6 micrograms per microliter. And then that's the one, right? So then we just calculated that that is equivalent to micromolar. Now we want to make our tube of working PCR dilution. It's at 10 micromolar, and it's in 100 microliters. And so we're going to put 4.13 microliters of our primer at 242.2 micromolar, and we're going to put then up to 100 microliters of TE. And so if we do 100 minus 4.13, we should get, well, if we did 100 minus 4, it'd be 96. So we're going to get 95.8-ish of TE. So 95.8-ish microliters TE. That gives us our working 10 micromolar in 100 microliter solution. And that's how you do calculations.